We recently flew Air Canada business class and absolutely loved it. Here's what the seats looked like. And the Aqua de Parma amenity kit had socks, eye mask, dental kit, earplugs, and lip balm and hand cream. Thank you so much for this. And off we go. Bye, Los Angeles. Love that the seats had massagers, so important for a long flight. And of course, you can convert it into a fully lie-flat bed whenever you're ready to sleep. But first we dined. The first course was a seared tuna, which was one of the best things I've ever eaten.